Alright, Paul again here from EMD Automotives. As you can see, we just finished putting the actual vacuum line across here, just behind the actual here, on there, straight into there as well. Much better in here as well. So that's the new vacuum line installed. New spark plugs, everything's ready to go in. So we're going to install this engine pretty much now in this car here, and after that we're going to take the wheels off, and then I'm going to carry out the actual Porsche Brembo brakes replacement upgrade kit. Alright, just show you one more time, and always inspect all the wiring here, make sure everything is not broken. This one here as well, that one there, that one there. That's a cold start injector there. This one's a cold start injector. That's for your pollution gear. That's your idle adjuster here. So this vacuum lines here as well. So this one here looks a bit old as well, so we can do that later in the car once the engine's in. This one here, I want to replace that one as well. I ran out of vacuum lines, so that one goes to the actual vacuum advance. So that vacuum advance, the little hose there looks a bit funny. Where's that one go to? This goes to here as well. So vacuum advance hose goes to here, back there. So I'm going to replace that one and that one. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.